to Icy Island. It's your boy Issa here. Today we'll be changing out front brakes on this 2010 Ford Focus. First we'll be taking off the wheels so we can have access to the brake calipers. Now that we've got the wheel removed, we'll be adding brake grease to the back of the brake pads. To remove the caliper, you first have to remove this tab. And once you've got that removed, to actually loosen the bolt will be a T45 bit. Now that you've got the bolts removed, the next thing is to remove these clips because that's the only thing else holding this caliper in place. Now that you've got the caliper off and access to the actual brake pads, you want to push the piston in by leaving the old pad in and using your piston compression tool to push the piston all the way flush. Now that the piston is flush with the caliper, you could fit the actual caliper over the top of the brake disc now with the new brake pads. Once we've got the caliper on, it's time to put the brake clips back in. And once that's in, now it's time to pump the brakes. You want to pump it till it feels like a rock. And that'll be an indicator that your new brake pads are adjusted to your brake discs. For the other side, I'm going to just time lapse it. I'm not going to speak over it just so you guys can see the whole process. And it's pretty much the same process as the other side. Now that we've got the other side on, you can see how bad the brake pads were. They're basically at zero, metal on metal grinding, so anytime you do brake and you feel vibrations, screeches, rumbling, it's probably time to change your brakes and rotors. Alright, and before you put the wheels back on and the car back down, make sure you pump the brakes till they feel hard as a rock. Now that everything's back on, it's time to take it on a test drive. I'm just going to be tapping on the brakes, making sure they're functional, making sure they react on time, and make sure they don't feel spongy. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. If you made it to the end, I appreciate it. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't, leave your thoughts down below.